Hello guys. Here we have a Lenovo L590. It's turning on. Baba, is it turning on? Okay, it's not turning on. Due to a loose charging port, Type C. Wait, the first thing. Let's check out the battery. So we have to disconnect the battery. Okay, the battery has been disconnected. In case we make a mistake, we won't short the board. Okay, do this. Okay, so now you have to be very careful not to knock off the components from the board while trying to pull this hinge up. There we go. All right, let me show you. We need a scope. I can see it's loose. So to be 100% sure, we have to use a microscope. It's old, but still giving me a good quality. I don't know why it's shaking. Okay, watch here. This is loose. Something slowing down my PC. Okay. So in this case, we have to use flaxy. That's my flaxy. Okay. Put a little bit. Okay, I think I know why. Slow. Think I know why. I increased the frames per second. So I think I have to go back to 30 frames per second. Okay, a little bit. So what you do, you use a little bit of heat, otherwise you will end up burning the plastic connector inside the USB port, USB type C port. There's a plastic inside, and that plastic is so critical, so we have to use less heat. So you have to mind your heat, otherwise you're gonna burn the plastic inside. I need my tweezers. Let's push it down. Sure that we don't burn. Okay, I think it should be fine now. Let's put more flaxy. Let's yeah, it should be fine now. Just wanna be sure. Yeah, it's connected there. I'll check if it's taking power. I will know. Something's wrong. My PC, I don't know what went wrong. Something's What the type C? Alright guys, now let's test. Alright, so I'm gonna use the M meter. So the M meter doesn't lie. It's gonna tell us if this port is working, whether it's taking 20 volts or 5 volts, 9 volts or 12 volts. We'll know, because the type C depends. If the chips from the type C's are not working, it will stack on 5 volts. So let's see. Not going in. I don't know what is going on. Okay, it's charging. But now why with my M meter is not going in? I don't understand this. Okay, there we go. Doesn't fit in proper. Why? Oh yeah, it's turning on. On the other side it's turning on. Okay, so it means I'll have to flip the machine to show you how many volts. But it's taking 20 volts because it's charging. There we go. 20.18, and it's taking 700 to 600 milliamps, meaning it's charging, and it's turning on as well. Yeah, it's on. You can see the lights. Even the amps are telling me that it's on. It's not only charging, but it's even turning on. There we go. Perfectly fine. Anyway, bye bye.